Jake Wittler, Cars Commerce.
Man, what's going on?
When they said that we're going to sit down, I said, how long is it going to be? We start taking bets before somebody gets in trouble.
They got people timing me over there. I've got like 5 handlers that tell me, shut up, just stick to the basics.
I know. They would have a beanbag gun pointed at you right now. So many people. This show is full of operators. I think some of it has to do with the fact that it's in the middle of the week, but everyone's trying to figure out, I think, what's actually new. Because there's a lot of stuff, that might not be new. It might just be labeled differently now, especially with all the AI stuff. And I that's a common thread of what I'm hearing. What are you all doing that's actually new this year?
Well, let's define new, man. Stuff you didn't see in New Orleans last year, right? Yep. Carson AI, actually making open text search available on cars.com, helping people find vehicles the way they search for everything. New. Market area expansion, making sure that all these owner-operators who are looking out and saying, hey, I got opportunity everywhere. I can ship a vehicle to whoever needs that vehicle. I just need smart marketing to get in front of those shoppers when they're looking. We've got that. VIN-specific video, man. What I think is going to be the hottest offering on the floor. We have cracked the code to make video true demand gen. We've got VIN-specific video advertising. We're targeting 1-to-1 based off shopper actions on cars.com. And all this is coming together. We've got our new Cars Commerce Hub where all these insights are put together. I'm sure you've heard this from operators. Like they want to see what's all going on, but the last thing they want is 8 million more reports to dig through. They're like, show me what matters right now. I do not have time to dig through your reports. That's what we're doing in the hub now.
All right, we're going to unpack some of that.
Yeah.
First, I like to talk about macros and big themes.
Yeah.
What are some of the big themes around profitability that you're hearing and that you're paying attention to?
Well, I know you and I were both at JD Power yesterday, right? And the theme over there was inventory is back. And our dealers know that, right? It used to be, I've got this one car, here's what it needs. And so now when we're talking about profitability, it is about identifying with velocity a profitable exit strategy for that vehicle. You take in a trade, you're gonna retail that, you're gonna sell within a couple weeks, or do you need to get that into wholesale quickly, get another partner for that? There is vehicles out there to be had, which is a great opportunity for us, but the pressure is back on of we need to make sure every VIN that hits my lot as an owner-operator, I've got an exit strategy for. Because as you know, for a couple years there, it was like, hey, we'll buy anything off the street, let's do it, and we still want to do that, but how do we make sure we are making the right choices between retail and wholesale, so we are maximizing profitability. We're not letting floor plans just eat away at our margins every single day.
So I think both of those things, what we just talked about, and talking about the necessity to meet shoppers where they're at, be able to understand what they're searching for and looking for. We have inventory, right? And so when we talk about inventory,
shoppers have options now. They want to dig
options,
deep.
Profitability, which really goes nicely into your focus on market area expansion. Why is it so important now for dealers to start very strategically targeting shoppers that are outside their market?
One of the biggest benefits for dealers at this show is a couple big players have invested hundreds of millions of dollars in advertising, telling consumers their expectations should be vehicle can be delivered direct to you. And so many of our retail partners have these capabilities. Maybe they can go 200 miles comfortably, maybe they can go 500 miles. Whatever is in their comfort zone, we want to make sure on cars.com they can promote that. We know from our own research that 86% of consumers are open to vehicle delivery. Heck, my own mom, the last 3 car purchases she's made,
story.
Mom lives in Wichita, but you know where she's shopping for her vehicles? Kansas City, Denver, Oklahoma City. She is always looking around for exactly the exact specs she needs. She's not a car girl, but when she's ready to buy, she knows what she wants. And what we need to do for both consumer and retailer, let's make that discovery so much easier. Let's surface that up. Hey, here's this vehicle. Yes, it's 300 miles away, but we'll deliver for this fee. Let's get you connected with that person.
Okay, so we're talking about inventory. Let's talk for a minute about how dealers are moving inventory across retail and wholesale and revisiting. I feel like the aging conversation has transformed right before our eyes over the last 12 months. So explain how that's shifting and changing.
I mean, not to be repetitive, but it goes back to what we were talking about with we just got to keep acknowledging supply is back. It's not going anywhere. Today's new cars are tomorrow's used cars. We are going to see a lot of supply. So we have to be smart from the jump about, okay, I'm taking this in on a trade. I'm taking this in from another dealer. Where is my path to exit? And we got to use real market supply and demand signals and make those accessible for dealers so they can see that. Because every day that vehicle is just sitting there, it is costing money. And we can't wait 45 days and say, oh, this isn't going to work for retail, let's flip it. Let's use Let's use all the insights and technology we have. We've seen the cycles in this market again and again. We know the shopper activity today that is the purchases of tomorrow. Let's decide from day one.
Yes.
Hey, we're going to just wholesale this thing.
Yes, you know how it is here. Dealers have agendas. They're running through. They're stopping and then they're leaving. Stopping. They're leaving. If they only have a few minutes to swing by the Cars.com Cars Commerce booth, what is the one insight you want them to walk away with?
We've got a strategy for every VIN on the lot, and in 2 minutes we can walk you through whether that's AI VIN-specific video to showcase people what we were talking about with market area expansion. Every VIN on your lot, we want to make sure you exit profitably. We have a strategy that we can download to you in mere minutes. I know these guys have packed days. We don't want to make them sit here for 3 hours. 5 minutes, we'll build out a strategy for your dealership, get you going with it.
Well, Jake, as always, you're on the ball. Your team is ready, delivering new solutions to the market. Thanks for spending a few minutes and just being in touch with what's going on the front line.
I mean, I will always spend 15 minutes with you, my friend. It's always a pleasure.
Thanks, my friend.